Hi friends, I am Preeti Chauhan from Rewari, Haryana. I am a digital marketer, affiliate marketer, a web developer. Presently, I am here to give review about JabHook Domination Program for 30 days. It is really a great program that is organized by Mr. Kadam Sai Charan. He is really an excellent mentor. I learned so many things from Kadam Sai Charan. I am still learning from him. He is providing a great content to everyone. First thing that I love, he attend every person personally. We learn video marketing, we learn content marketing, we learn Facebook marketing, we learn ClickBank training, we are learning long jagging, and we are learning so many things. He is providing so many tools for promotions. He provide in such a way so that you can learn practically in life. Many tutors or many organizations provide courses for their program, but he didn't provide any course. He provide training for that. He attend personally. He find out where you are lagging, so he tell you your weakness. He provide your strength points, so you can grow very well in the industry. We promote a WhatsApp 5 days training program. Sometime we failed, and he find out where you are lagging behind. He just give us motivational videos every time. Oh, you can do this, you can do this. Never a person did like Mr. Kadam Sai Charan. If you are not doing any sale or you are not doing anything, he didn't say anything. He just say you have to do this. It's your work. You have to grow in future, so you have to do this. That is a very important thing that a mentor should do with the student. That is done by Mr. Kadam Sai Charan. He said it is a really a your conversion 30 days conversion program, and it's a really a true thing. We just came out from our rest zone. We can do so many things. He provide daily tasks. You have to work on this, you have to work on this video. He provides so many topics, so we can do this. And if I talk about me, I want to make different tutorials videos, but I don't know how to do this. One day he said you have to make a tutorial video. I said I don't know how to do this. He said no, just go to YouTube, do research and make it. So after some time he just guide me, you can do this in this way, and I just create that. So he just guide you, he provide you knowledge, and he just tell you the way. In the same way, when I was not able to do a small sale in affiliate marketing, he just provide me the way. He just give different motivation. So I was afraid how I will do this, but he tell me the way. In this way you can do this. You can do so many things. So I am able to survive just due to Mr. Kadam Sai Charan in this affiliate industry, because when I was not getting a sale, I started just 3 months back, but when I learned so many things, but I'm getting so many things and I'm just implementing at this time. So I can do different sales in ClickBank also, because I'm getting training for that in a very successful manner. So join this program. It's really a best program. Thank you so much.